Hi everyone, welcome to Eezytutorials. In this video, we are going to see spices. Let's get started. What is this?
Cardamom. Cardamom.
And one such in black color.
Black cardamom. Black cardamom.
Very aromatic. What is this?
Cloves. Cloves.
This is
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
find this star-like spice.
Star anise. Star anise.
These small seeds are
Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds.
this is
Nutmeg. Nutmeg.
find this spice.
Mace. Mace.
This leafy spices.
Bay leaf. Bay leaf.
And find this leafy spice.
Screw pine leaf. Screw pine leaf.
A colorful and attractive spice.
Saffron. Saffron.
Find this.
Carom seed, thymol seed or bishop seed.
These seeds are
Mustard seeds.
find this.
Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds.
This is
Black cumin seeds or Nigella.
very healthy. This is
Peppercorns. Peppercorns.
this is
Cubebs.
pepper with tail. These are
White pepper. White pepper.
aromatic but slightly bitter.
Dry fenugreek. Dry fenugreek.
This is
Coriander seeds or Indian parsley.
these are
Onion seeds. Onion seeds.
this is
Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds.
we get oil from this. What is this?
Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds.
This is
Asafoetida.
also hing. This sour powder is
Dry mango powder. Dry mango powder.
a powder mixture of all spices.
Spice blend. Spice blend.
This is
Turmeric. Turmeric.
aromatic and digestive friendly.
Ginger. Ginger.
When it is dried, it is
Dry ginger. Dry ginger.
find this.
Garlic. Garlic.
What is this leaf?
Curry leaves. Curry leaves.
These leaves has good fragrance. What is this?
Cilantro leaf or coriander leaf.
And another aromatic leaf.
Mint. Mint.
Hot and pungent. What is this?
Green chili. Green chili.
Available in different colors. What are they?
Green pepper or capsicum.
This is
Red chili. Red chili.
sour fruit. What is this?
Lime. Lemon. Lime or lemon.
Find this.
Tamarind. Tamarind.
And last, what is this?
Vinegar. Vinegar.
Hope you liked the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Your valuable comments are always welcome. Keep watching Eezytutorials.